Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Epic Games screen resolution error. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and right click on your desktop, then go to display settings. And once you're inside of your display settings, you want to simply go ahead and put the display resolution on recommended. Once you do that, it should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if that doesn't fix your problem, what you want to do is simply go ahead and look for the Epic Games launcher. So right over here, go to open file location and right click on it. And once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and click on show more options, go to properties and head inside of compatibility. Now, inside of compatibility, what you want to do is simply click on change high DPI settings. Once you've done that, you want to simply check override high DPI scaling behavior and leave the drop down on application right over here. And then click on OK, which will simply go ahead and solve your problem. However, if that doesn't, then you might need to simply clear your cache, press Windows R, right % local app data % and OK. Then you want to look for Epic Games Launcher and delete all the files inside of it, which will definitely fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.